Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 66 Chevelle. It's got a big block under the hood and it's got a 4-speed between the bucket seats. This thing is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at that red paint, man. It is popping. We got beautiful chrome on the bumper. We got great looking grille. All that aluminum looking good, all the chrome's looking good, all the body lines are looking amazing. She is one beautiful machine. And as he pulls that camera back, take a look at the Kragers. Yeah, we got Kragers on this one, wrapped in BFGs, looking sweet. Body lines looking good on the doors. Everything's lined up nice. Check out the interior. Black interior. Center console, 4-speed shifter, seat belts, stock appearing wheel, everything looking sweet. Looks like we got 3 belts in the back seat. Well, no, maybe not 3. There's 2 belts in the back seat. Package tray looking good. Headliner looking great. Even the dome lights working. Sun visors looking good. Got the tack mounted down there. Looking sweet. Look at all the chrome on the dash. Everything is bright and shiny. That black paint looking sweet. Dash pad itself, and look at this door jamb. Look how nice and clean everything is. They had the latch out when they did the restoration. All the rubber's looking good. All the chrome on the door panels looking good. I'll tell you what, look down that quarter panel. Straight as can be. Look at those reflections. I'll tell you what, this is just one beautiful car. And look at the meat on the back. Talk about a footprint. This baby's got a big one. We got great looking chrome back here on the back. Let's see. I got 2 keys to pick from. Anybody want to bet I get it wrong the first time? Ha! Got to get lucky every now and then. We got carpeting in here. Man, it looks sweet in here. We got a spare tire. Looks like there's a lug wrench in there and a jack. Look at the paintwork, even on the bottom side of the deck lid. You can see they had the latch out. They even, look at this, they even made a neat little cover here for the trunk latch. All the paintwork here looking sweet. Man, this thing is beautiful. I'll tell you what, you take this car anywhere and you are gonna win an award. She is beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this beautiful car, so you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. Then the first thing we do when we get them back here to the shop is we get them up on the lift and we inspect them so Tom can answer every one of your questions. He can let you know what's working, what's not working, what we found with the car. He'll tell you everything you need to know about the car so you can make a great decision on this investment. Now, I've been in the business for about 35 years and I'm using all that experience every day so I can help you pick out your dream car. All right, 66 Chevelle time. Big block, shifting gears, looking pretty in red. Let's go for a ride. You want to talk about sweet? We got Kragers on this baby. She's got a big block. We're shifting gears. Guys, we can deliver this car anywhere in the world. You just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you. It is so easy. Tom takes care of all the paperwork. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So give him a call at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about the process. And if you need help with financing, he can help you out in that department too, because we got about 5 different bankers we're working with right now, so we can get you financed, no problem. Look down here on the dash. Look how brand new everything looks. Speedo's working, tax working. Looks like it's got an aftermarket radio in it. I mean, the car sounds amazing, looks amazing. I mean, it's a 66 Chevelle, guys. It's got a big block in it. We're shifting gears. Take this baby anywhere. I guarantee you, you're coming home with some trophies, some ribbons, whatever awards they got, you're coming home with them. You're gonna have to build a shelf in the garage. Listen to it. It's just loud enough to know your boss, but not loud enough to get you thrown in jail. Of course, I think I would put some louder mufflers on it because I like to push the boundaries of getting thrown in jail. We get the cops chasing us around here all the time. Now we're coming up on our shop here, and we're gonna do something that nobody else in the industry dare do. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can see just how beautiful the bottom side is. Then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's making all that horsepower under the hood. Now we're right here at our shop at 15100 Keel Street. We're very close to the airport, and we're open 6 days a week, and you can drive in on Saturdays too. All right, we're underneath this 66 now, and as you can see, it looks almost brand new under here. Look at that tank, it's brand new looking. We got the floorboards on the trunk. Look at that paint work, beautiful. All the bushings look like they're brand new. The exhaust, beautiful. Now the car's got air shocks on it. The bushings look like they're fairly new. We got a 12 bolt, right around a 331 gear, and it is Posi. Mufflers look like they're fairly new. The frame is beautiful, painted beautifully. The fuel line looks like it's new. Parking brake cables look new. The brake line going front to back looks brand new. Now on the brakes, the guys pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Exhaust looks amazing up here. Look at these floorboards. Look at the paint work. Beautiful. I mean, the floorboards are amazing. They look just like they came out of the factory. Cross member, beautiful. Muncie 4-speed transmission here. Stock appearing bell housing here. Disc brakes up front, backing plates, ball joints, everything look amazing. I mean, it is just beautiful under here. Looks like somebody turned a clock back here. All the steering gear, the guys will check this stuff out, make sure it's in good working order. We are missing a grease zerk here. I'll make sure the guys get that grease zerk put in there. We'll get a little grease squirted in there, even though that looks like it's brand new. Front frame horns, straight as an arrow. We got, looks like a brand new front bumper here. Back side of it's just as clean as the front side. Tires, they look like they're fairly new too. And look at those Kragers, man. Those Kragers are beautiful. Wheel lip moldings look good. Wheel wells are nice and clean. Rocker moldings look good. And again, look at that frame. She's beautiful. I always feel the backside, and I'll tell you what, I think the backside of these fenders are painted because that is slick as can be. Always feel the backside of the rockers too. And again, they're painted. I see new bushings, new bolts up in there. We got good looking paint on the bottom side of the rocker. And we got meat on the back. Gotta have meat, put horsepower to the ground. 255, 60, 15s back here. And again, Kragers looking good. And look at those wheel wells shining up in there. We got shiny back paint up in there. Wheel lip moldings look good. Everything looks good here. Man, this is one good looking car. Let's get under the hood. Under the hood here, we got a date code correct 396. It's got a Holley 4-barrel on it. It's got the winter's intake on it, all aluminum, looking sweet. We even got GM markings on the hoses. Man, this thing is beautiful under here. Inner wheelhouses are all painted. Firewall's nice and clean. Looks like it's got a fairly new alternator on it. It is super clean. power brakes. That booster looks like it's new. Looks like power steering too. We got a power steering pump down there, and it's got the remote reservoir on it. Good looking radiator here. It's all cleaned up and painted. AC Delco battery here. Now we got a shut off on the battery, and we suggest that you keep these batteries shut off when you're not driving the car. You can see everything's nice and clean. Even the exhaust manifolds have been cleaned up. Looking sweet. Those are stock exhaust manifolds, by the way. It's got a stock appearing distributor in it. Just everything about the car is amazing, guys. She's red, she's beautiful. She's got big tires on the back. She's got Kragers. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.